US30 Precision Trading Group. That is all about precision. So as you can see, the US30 is selling down, heavy selling down, almost minus 1,240 pips. It's almost going to 4%. The platinum just starts selling off also now, and this is the results. If you can see, the US30 just still pushing down. And if you look at the platinum, it's starting to sell down. So guys, this is what I was talking about when I say precision. Precision. It's not about just buy and sell. See the market moving up, you go and buy. You see the market going down, go and sell. It's all about knowing the right strategy, the right timing, the right entry. And guys, please, if you are serious about learning on how to trade, join the US30 Precision Group. And the fundamentals behind this move, this is the fundamentals. You can see all negative fundamentals for this week. But the good part is already by Thursday, last week Thursday and Friday, I've already knew that the US30 and the platinum is going down based on the most important analysis is your technical analysis. So based on my on the technical analysis, I've already know that the US30 and platinum is going down. So fundamentally came in at the right moment today. That's why you can see we have almost 4% in selling of the US30 and platinum, and even the crude oil is down. The Dow Jones is minus 1,146. That is the stock market. So that is that, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content to come.